Welcome to our channel. Today I will guide you through a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to log in to Google Workspace. Many people are new to Google Workspace, also known as G Suite, and they sometimes get confused about where to start or how to enter their account. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to log in on your computer, how to use the official login pages, and even how to access your account from your mobile device. Let's begin. Open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or Firefox. It is always recommended to use Google Chrome for the best compatibility with Google Workspace. In the address bar, type workspace.google.com. This is the official Google Workspace login page. If you only want to access Gmail directly, you can also type mail.google.com. Press Enter to continue. Once the login page opens, you will see a field asking for your email address. Here, enter your full Google Workspace email. This is usually provided by your company, school, or organization. For example, it might look like your name at yourcompany.com. After typing it, click on the Next button. Now you will be asked to enter your password. Carefully type your password exactly as it was given to you by your administrator. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so be sure to use the correct uppercase and lowercase letters. Once you are done, click Next again. If your organization has enabled two-step verification, an extra security step will appear. This could be a code sent to your mobile phone, a notification in the Google Authenticator app, or even a security key. Complete the verification method that is requested. This step helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access. After successful verification, you will be redirected to the main Google Workspace dashboard. From here, you can open Gmail for your emails, Google Drive for your files, Google Docs for document editing, and Google Calendar for managing your schedule. Each tool is directly accessible from the 9-dot menu located in the upper right corner. If you are using your own personal computer or phone, you can choose the option Stay Signed In to avoid typing your details every time. However, if you are on a shared or public computer, do not select this option to protect your privacy. Some organizations create a custom login page such as mail.yourcompany.com or login.school.edu. If your administrator has provided such a link, you can use that instead of the general Google login page. First, go to the App Store if you are using an iPhone or Google Play Store if you are on Android. Search for and download the Gmail app, Google Drive app, or Google Calendar app. Open the app and tap on Add Account. Select Google from the list of account types. Enter your Google Workspace email address and password, then complete any verification steps. Once done, your account will be added to your device and you can access emails, files, and events directly on your phone anytime. Bookmark the login page so you can reach it faster in the future. Use the Google Workspace apps for quick access on mobile. Always log out if you are using a computer that does not belong to you. By following these steps, you will always be able to log into Google Workspace safely and easily. It is a powerful suite of tools that helps you manage your work, studies, and communication in one place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tutorials and helpful tech guides.